Many of us here present today were fortunate enough to spend time with the veterans, listen to their stories firsthand, take them to their hallowed grounds, find their foxholes, and reconnect them with families that sheltered them during the conflict. Seeing former foes become friends was an inspiring sight, one that truly illustrated the futility of war. We take from those experiences and find the importance of the message that the veterans have conveyed to us, that war can never be the answer. As we now slowly make the transition into a world where there will be no more living World War II veterans, the task of carrying on that message will fall onto our shoulders. The importance of ceremonies like this one today is not about the ones speaking here at the microphone, but it is your presence. Your personal motivations to be here today may differ, but we're all united to carry forward the message that the veterans told us, to never forget. Visit the former battlegrounds, see the now peaceful surroundings and a beautiful landscape, and enjoy it as it is today, peaceful. Those who saw it back in '44 saw it at its absolute worst. With death and destruction around, muffled prayers and cries of agony shrouded in a dense fog.